What's up, everybody? This is Tyson Henson. I wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial for the Romanian deadlift that a lot of people struggle with, and it messes up their back when they do it over a long period of time incorrectly. And I wanted to help you guys, save you a lot of hurt and trouble by showing you this video real quick. It's going to show you how to execute this movement effectively. And this is a great movement for the posterior chain and the lower body for that beautiful strength and foundational integrity in your body. Anyhow, I'm going to show you the exercise. It's the Romanian deadlift. So we're going to start this way, and all we're going to do is we're going to bring our upright torso parallel to the floor like it's a flat tabletop. So I'll demonstrate now. And the whole trick is to get that nice stretch in the back of the legs, the hamstrings and the calf. And in order to protect your lower back, what we want to do is we want to push our butt backward when we're bringing our torso down so that we can protect our lower lumbar area. So I'm going to do it again. And usually a lot of people will hold dumbbells or a barbell to add more resistance, but I'm just doing it bodyweight to show you the movement. And it helps to have just a little bit of a band in the legs when you come down throughout the whole movement. Otherwise, you'll lock up your knees and it won't feel good. So a lot of people will do this. Incorrect. Please do not do that. This is what it should look like. Butt back. And come back up. Alright, so just want to make this quick video for you guys. Thanks so much. Like, comment, subscribe if this was helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next video.